sometimes in our life we need to keep someone in waiting for a very short time. So today I'll show you 10 alternative ways to keep someone in waiting without saying wait. So if we think about the alternative ways of keep someone in waiting, so of course we have to kick out the word called wait, and we have to engage that. We are going to learn today. We have to engage those alternative ways, and we have to use all kinds of alternative ways instead of saying wait in our daily life. So the first one is hold on. Hold on. It also means that I'm telling you to wait. I'm telling you to do wait for me. Hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Here I'm not telling you to keep your horses. Here I'm telling you to do wait for me. Hold your horses. Wait a bit. Wait a bit. Here I'm telling you to wait for me for a very short time. Wait a bit. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Could you please wait for me a while? Wait for a while. Wait for a while. Just a moment. Just a moment. It's also a kind of alternative ways to say wait to someone. Just a moment. Hang on a moment. Hang on a moment. It's also a kind of alternative ways to keep someone in waiting. Hang on a moment. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Sometimes we also say like just a minute, just a second. So here we can also say hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Don't be so impassioned. Don't be so impassioned. You have to wait for me, so don't be so impassioned. Don't be so impassioned. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Just wait 2 minutes for me. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'll be right with you. I'll be right with you. Just wait for me. I'll be right with you. I'll be right with you. So those was the alternative ways to say wait to someone. If you want to learn more about spoken in English and phonetics, you can also follow and like my Facebook page, Vijay English Presentation. And I'm requesting all of you to subscribe this YouTube channel, vijay.net, to get my more live presentation, video presentations, everything about spoken English and English tutorials. So see you in the next. Till then, bye bye.